Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is air fryer artichoke hearts. I found this one on TikTok. You take 2 cans of artichoke hearts. You're going to rinse them and drain them, then put them on some paper towels and blot off the excess water and liquid that's on them. Then in a bowl, I'm going to add them with some olive oil, some minced garlic. Measure with your heart. I put a ton in there. And then it said a packet of ranch seasoning. I Googled it, and apparently that's 2 tablespoons. So that's what I added because I have the big old jar of it at home. I love this stuff. And then some breadcrumbs. Now, she used like a garlic breadcrumbs, which I bet would taste amazing with this, but all I had was Italian. So I just put in like, I don't know, about 1/4 a cup of breadcrumbs. And then you're going to mix it together really well and put it in your air fryer. She said to do 400 for 18 minutes. I never use my air fryer that high, so I followed the instructions, but I think next time I would do it for longer and maybe at like 350. They are a little bit crunchy, but a little bit soft. They're pretty good. I wish there was like a recipe for like a dipping sauce to go with these, but I ate them just how they were and they were really good. Nice little easy appetizer. If you'd like to see more recipes, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.